Hi, welcome to this demo of SnapIntel, a voice-to-voice assistant for instant insights from screenshots. Let's dive in and see what it can do. Once the script is running, you can either start a new session or continue a previous session stored in the history folder. After making your choice, you can interact with the LLM using simple key combinations to query with or without an image. The assistant will listen to your request, following an audio cue, and stop recording when it detects silence. Let's explore some practical use cases to see SnapIntel in action. Annotate this URL and the title of the page.
The URL is a.google.dv/gemini-api/docs/vision/lang/python right single quote. The title of the page is Explore Vision Capabilities with the Gemini API.
Write a function that prompts with the uploaded image and text, as per the documentation in the screenshot.
Python from Google. API core. Client options import client options from Google. Cloud import language _
How is instructor used in the code? And can you transcribe the function that it's in?
In the code snippet provided, instructor is used to create an instance of a Gemini language model. It uses the instructor.from_Gemini right single quote function to create a client object that can be used to interact with the Gemini API.
Can you rewrite the note as a complaint note?
Kylie, I'm writing to express my disappointment with our meeting today. It was not productive, and I did not feel that you were genuinely interested in catching up. I was hoping to hear how you were doing and to discuss some important matters. I was also hoping we could work on improving our communication. I look forward to your response. Cheers, your name.
Now, add some humor to this complaint note.
Kylie, I'm writing to express my disappointment with our meeting today. It was so unproductive. I felt like I was talking to a brick wall, and not the charming kind that you'd find in a quaint little cottage. You know, the kind with ivy growing on it and a cute little window? No, more like the kind that you'd find in a construction zone.
In this example, I will showcase another speech service, DeepGram. I am not sure how to use this program. How do I remove the silence in the audio file?
It looks like you're using a program called Audacity. Here's how to remove silence in Audacity. 1. Select the silent portions. Use your mouse to highlight the sections of the audio where there's silence. 2. Apply a noise reduction effect. Go to the effect menu. Choose noise reduction. In the noise reduction window, click the Get Noise Profile button. It's best to remove silence after any other audio processing.
Can you summarize with a few points what we have discussed so far?
Here's a summary of what we've discussed. Gemini API. We explored the Gemini API for vision tasks, specifically how to prompt it with an image and text to generate responses. Python function. We wrote a Python function to interact with the
SnapIntel remembers what was discussed during the session and also stores the conversation in the history folder, allowing you to interrupt and resume it at your convenience. The log folder contains the log of each session, presenting the questions and responses in a formatted markdown file. These are just a few practical use cases that highlight the convenience and versatility of using screen sharing and voice input for an app assistant. This project aims to leverage the knowledge and multimodal capabilities of Gemini and is built to adapt and grow with future enhancements and integrations. It already has built-in Grok and DeepGram fast transcription services and includes various text-to-speech services. If you find this project helpful and would like to support its development, please consider leaving a star on the repo and checking out the support section in the README. Thank you for watching this demo.